front.
Oh, wow.
What's the problem, man?
What you hit me for?
What?
Got on tape.
I saw you kick him, dude.
No, you fucking hit me with that.
I saw you kick
What's up,
him.
man?
I saw you kick
Why'd you
him.
hit me with that?
I saw you kick
You
him.
hit me with that.
You have it on video, stupid.
What?
Are you that
Wanna
stupid?
go to
I'm
jail?
stupid? Oh,
Go
fuck
to
you,
jail?
man.
Wanna go to jail, bro?
You want to go to jail?
Wanna go to jail?
Fuck
Going
you.
to jail, cry.
Fuck you, homie.
You're the oh,
Fuck you.
oh me.
Yeah, that's right, man. Fuck you.
Oh, fuck you. Okay.
Wanna go to jail, dude?
What?
What's up?
Wanna go to jail?
Fuck you.
Sorry, baby.
Head to the east side.
Hey, I got a couple guys here. What's up, man?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? What are you crying about?
Why the fuck are you guys here?
You want to open up the east side?
What do you guys have here?
Yeah, I need some backup on the east side. What's up, man?
What's up?
Where's your hostel, dude?
What?
Where's your hostel?
Why are you filming?
It's none of your business, honestly.
We would conduct an investigation.
I told you guys to come out and be the sidewalk monitor, man.
Oh, fuck you,
None
man.
of your business. What
What's
we're
up,
doing.
man?
Go away, crybaby.
What's up?
What's up, crybaby?
What's up?
Ain't nobody scared of you, crybaby.
Ain't no scared of you, motherfucker.
Stop crying about it, then.
No, fuck you. Hey, I need some guys out here, man.
You already call the sheriff, dude? What do you call the sheriff better? You don't need any guys, dude.
What?
You don't need any guys.
Why
Mano,
you so
mano.
mad, dude?
That's the way you represent your company, dude?
Who? Where you from, fool? Well, what's your company, motherfucker? Huh?
Oh,
I'm representing myself, motherfucker.
what?
Let's go back inside, motherfucker.
No, fuck you.
Fuck
Cry
you.
about it somewhere else, man. Your kids close you.
There's some people out here, man.
What's that gonna do?
What's up?
What's that gonna do?
What's up, man?
Are you shaking, dude?
Yeah.
Are you shaking? It's too hot or what? Are you afraid?
You got to
You
control.
got three guys behind you. Don't be
Go take
afraid,
some blood
dude.
pressure medication or something,
Hey,
man. Something
are you on the
calm down.
medication, bro?
Go smoke some weed or something, man. So calm down. That's it. Oh man, this guy's funny, dude.
You're funny.
First he kicks your rig and
Yeah,
then
dude.
he
Oh,
puts
what
his
you
leg
hit
on
me?
you.
Stupid. I got it on
man.
tape, dude. 360, brother.
Only lame ass fools
stupid,
do
man.
stupid shit like that, dude.
What?
I said only lame ass fools do stupid shit like that. That's right.
What you gonna do about it, man?
You heard me.
What you gonna do about it?
Hey, you're the
You
one
didn't
that's
call
all
him
tough,
back
man.
up?
What are
Huh?
you gonna do
You
about
call
it?
him about for a
You're the
backup,
one-
dude.
You're the one being all tough out here, so I don't know. What are you gonna do about it? Nothing? Okay, we thought so. We thought so, man.
That's it.
What's wrong with
Man,
your
just go
friend,
back
man?
inside,
Does he take medication or something?
Fuck you.
Seriously, man. You guys
you.
better grab your right here.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry, man.
you.
Swing that way. Sorry.
You too.
No, you're not my type, bro.
Yeah?
Where do you come
Yeah.
from? A world where hurt
you.
or what?
Yeah.
You come from a planet where words
You
hurt
is a
people
cold
or
red,
what?
right?
Fuck you.
I thought it was cold red, bro.
Fuck you.
Just go away.
Cold
crybaby,
red?
dude.
No cold pink.
Fuck you.
You're not my type, dude. You're too
Fuck
small for
you.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, he was offering, dude. Now he doesn't
Yeah.
want none.
You call the sheriff, you call a backup, and what do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
I didn't approach you, dude. You
We're
approach
crying
us.
about it, man.
We're
the one shaking
conducting
in your
an
pants right
investigation in your
You're
company.
conducting an investigation?
now. You're the one shaking in your pants, man.
You're shaking and you're sweating, dude. It's too cold or it's too hot. Or you haven't taken your meds.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, too.
All
You're
right.
not my type,
What's
man.
up?
You know what cried, man? Ain't nobody else crying but you.
You have the little man syndrome, dude. Seriously. You're big. When you're small, you're like, you want to be tough. Just go back to work, man. Relax. It's not even worth it, dude.
Fuck you.
Fuck you,
Let's take
too.
meds, man.
Yeah.
You guys need to call somebody for him or what?
Yeah. You want me to call ambulance for you or something? Relax, dude. Yeah, relax, dude. There you go.
You can tell the lump in his throat went away already.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, fuck. This guy's a character. Security!
Right here. Relájate, güey. Relájate. Relaxation, dude. You look out here. Corona again.
He's relaxed now, man. He's
Yeah,
relaxed.
there you go. Take a
Totally
vacation.
relaxed. He's over it. You can just walk away now, man. It's
No, you
all right.
walk away.
You walk away.
You walk away.
I'm in the street, man. I'm in public. You're supposed to be at work right now.
It was code pink. Code pink?
Code pink.
From main
Hey, whatever you guys want to do, man. I already said f you, so whatever you guys want to do.
What does that mean, dude? Those are just words, dude. You're just
Why the
trying
f are you here?
You're just trying to intimidate us, man.
Who do you
You're
work for?
Shit.
Who do you
That's
work
why
for?
You're mad, dude, because you didn't intimidate nobody.
Huh?
With all your fancy little F words and all this stuff, man.
You're representing your company like that? Why you so hostile?
I'm
dude?
representing myself, motherfucker. Who the f are you?
Why'd you call for backup then? You're
Huh?
representing yourself. How smart do you sound, man? You called for backup. You guys called the police, you called for backup, and you're representing yourself?
Alright,
It doesn't make any sense.
whatever,
dude.
whatever.
And we're motherfuckers.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you are motherfucker.
Logic to
You're
to-
motherfucker. You're motherfucker.
Everything. I don't use those words, but you know, come on, dude. Don't represent your company like that.
I'm
You know-
representing myself. Fuck you. I'm representing myself.
You're not my
He
type,
kicked
dude.
his-
The fuck.
He kicked your
Seriously.
rig on his own
Yeah,
will, too.
yeah, dude. You
did
mess
it
it
on
up, dude.
himself. He did it.
You don't want to go to jail, man.
So-
You don't know me, mother. You don't know me.
Yeah, you don't know me.
Man, where were you born, dude? Where were you born, dude?
The mom's pussy. That's why.
You stuck in the 90s or what?
Relax,
You
dude.
don't know me. Get the hell out of here, dude. Get out of here with that crybaby stuff, dude. The story's not over. His backup's still coming, I think.
They come in?
Yeah, I think so, because he called over the radio like, oh man, I need backup over here.
Hey, it's no big deal here, guys. It's, you know, we're just filming. It's not nothing else. We're conducting an investigation. That's all. Call the police. They were here, right, dude.
It's only gonna incriminate you, man.
You know what I'm saying, dude? You hit my
yourself.
rack. You're gonna go to jail, bro.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Call the police.
I'll
Yeah.
press charges, bro.
Yeah, and
Go
you
ahead,
keep this-
go ahead.
If you
saw
call the cops,
Go ahead.
you're gonna go to jail, bro.
You're going to
Go
jail,
ahead.
dude,
Go ahead.
crybaby.
Go ahead. Go
For being
ahead.
a crybaby.
Go ahead.
Being a dumbass.
Crybaby, dude.
You don't do
You're
that shit.
incriminating
You don't
yourself,
do that.
man.
You don't do that.
You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't
Yeah.
call the cops on somebody that hasn't
Yeah,
even broken
this
the
is
law.
not a
What
weapon.
law
This
have
is
we
camera,
broken for you to
dude.
call the cops, man?
This camera.
What law have we broken for you to call the cops?
They were
Besides
here
you
a minute
threatening
ago,
us.
dude. They were here.
Besides you calling backup and threatening us, what law has been broken here? Besides you kicking his stuff, what law has been
Don't worry
broken?
about it, homie.
Okay.
Crybaby.
Homie, that's a
don't worry about
profiling,
it.
dude.
Don't worry about it.
I'm not a homie, dude. Why you profiling me like
The
that?
cops,
That's being
look,
racist,
the
dude.
cops right now, as we speak, are telling your buddy on the phone that there's nothing that you can do about us filming on here. That's what they're telling your buddy on the phone right now. And he's gonna hang up the phone pretty sad, and then he's gonna educate you on what the cops just told him. Just wait for it, dude. Just wait for it. And then when they don't show up because your crybaby call is irrelevant.
What kind of investigation are you conducting?
It doesn't matter, man. It's none of your business.
None of my business.
None of your business.
Why don't you conduct it? You're here. What are you filming? Who are you filming? What do you want to film?
I'm already doing it, man.
All right then.
I'm already doing it.
All right then.
I'm already doing
All
it.
right then. Why don't you ask some questions then? I'm right here.
Now we'll let the cops come and ask the questions.
Okay, then we'll wait then. Okay. All right. All right. All right. We'll wait.
Go there, dude. You can wait here in the shade, dude.
What?
Why you go all the way up there? You can wait here, right here, dude.
It doesn't matter,
Don't
man.
be afraid, dude.
We're just gonna wait. You wanna wait?
Yeah,
Let's
right
wait.
there, dude.
I'm not afraid of nothing. What are you talking about?
You're afraid, dude. You went back.
You're a coward.
I'm giving you. I'm giving you. What do you?
You know what gallina
So what do you
is?
want to do?
Hey, you know what's a chicken is, guys? You know what's a gallina? This is a gallina right here.
You want to investigate? Investigate
Chicken,
then.
dude.
Investigate
Oh, no,
then.
that's a pollito. Little chicken.
Investigate.
Hey, well, we are.
Okay.
It's still ongoing, man.
What's going on? What's
It's
up?
still ongoing.
What do you want to know?
Believe me, this is capturing everything we need to know right now, man. That's it. You made the story about you.
Okay. All right.
All right. So there's nothing wrong.
All right. All right.
You call me homie, dude. Oh, wow.
Look, oh wow. Oh wow. What does that mean? Leave us alone.
What? Kiss
See?
it.
Go away, man. You see?
Kiss it.
What
Kiss
did I
it, kiss
just
it,
tell
kiss
you?
it.
He's gonna tell you exactly what I told you, man. You gotta leave people in public alone. We're not breaking the law. These guys just got educated, man. I hope you guys learned something because these guys came up trying to smack our stuff. They kicked his rig, you know? And for what? We're not even breaking the law. He just wanted to be a bully and try to incite violence. He was trying to trigger us to incite violence on him. Is what he was doing.
Little sissy.
See ya.
Little bitch.
All right, guys. You
Bye,
guys have a
little
good
bitch.
one.
Bye,
You guys
little
in the
bitch.
front, you guys are awesome, man.
Hey,
You-
take care, guys.
You're a coward.
Hey, thank you guys
are
for being
cowards.
bucking up. There you go. Walk of shame. Walk of shame,
That's
guys.
a bad walk of shame right there.
Walk of shame.
Woo! Look at that. Cowardness.